got mail.
Two fittings coming together. And it's all in.
All right, this is 3672 Darston Street in Palm Harbor. And I just wanted to make a video after we run our jet clean machine through here. I just wanted to make sure that big hump was gone. It's gone. It's just a coupling. We're good.
Oh, that's why?
Yeah, that's a double Y. So, I wonder if this is going up. I don't know if I'm going up the left side or the right side.
We live here over a year.
Yeah, that's the toilet right there.
That's the new toilet right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the sink, and if you keep going, it's the toilet.
So
That's
yeah,
the double Y right there.
that's it right there.
Yeah, that's the cap. I put the cap. I cap it.
What used to be back there?
That was the toilet. It was just
Oh, it was just going straight. I got
so
you.
I cap it.
I got you.
I use the one
Yeah, the other side, which is fine. Yeah, so that's what's happening is everything's getting.
getting stuck there.
Yep.
And you don't see water in there, right?
No,
Very.
no, your pitch is good, man.
Okay. I'm safe.
Yeah, it's beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm in the new.
I don't either.
I'm right in the new combo that you guys put in, and it's beautiful, man. Sorry. You can see it. It's gorgeous.
Okay, good.
And I jetted all the way up that side.
Great.
So what's happening here? I'll show you what's happening. So imagine we're toilet paper right now.
Okay, so when we're looking at this time, is yours
You're-
the bottom at the top still, or
No,
is
this
this the
is the
bottom?
bottom.
Okay,
This is
so
the
it's
bottom.
opposite how David.
So I'm coming back towards the Y right now, and then boom. See how I've got this pipe coming in, this pipe coming in? There's going to be another pipe coming in from that side. And then it goes right into a 45. So I make this turn. Now I'm going back at it, right? See, I've got a pipe here, and a pipe here. That's what this double Y fitting it out was telling you.
Okay.
Just like this. And then when I first got here, all your blockage, all your toilet paper is right where I'm sitting right now, right here in this little spot. So it's having to come here. It's hitting the side of this pipe, right? And then it's hitting the side of this 45, and
it's
now
slowing
it's coming
things down.
straight out.
Yeah.
So everything's getting slowed down right there.
So, and the reason it didn't do it before
It's because the toilet was closer to the double Y.
It was probably 5 foot closer. That's
yeah, because we had where the shower is. Did you go in our bathroom?
Yeah, I was in there. Well, not before, but
no,
this
I mean
time,
now.
yeah.
So where the shower is was a jacuzzi tub.
Okay.
And then you had the toilet right next to it. I mean, like you're almost hitting
I
your
see.
leg on the jacuzzi tub, and then you had a single vanity, and then you had the shower.
That's much better.
yeah. Yeah.
That's like night and day better. I get it.
Yeah, because I mean, it was really bad. I mean, you were like in an RV shower.
These situations get tough because, you know, I understand your side because you're like, well, this didn't happen until they did the bathroom. I mean, I get it, but nobody knew that that you had a double Y under the floor. There's a lady's house I go to for a property management company. We're there every 4 months to clear her double Y because they don't want to tear the floor up. So we take that machine out and we go there every 4 months.
Yeah.
But she's on a lot of medication and she has to use a lot of, toilet paper.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was
So
gonna say my
she's-
husband's on tons of he had a kidney transplant. He's on tons of medication, but
She's
he
constantly doing the number 2.
Yeah,
and
he's
it's-
not. So,
yeah,
but still,
it's a bad situation there.
Yeah.
So I mean the double Ys, I don't see them, like on most newer construction stuff, I don't see a lot of guys putting them in just because down the road it's going to cause problems. So I don't think anything here was done wrong. It's just now the volume of water hitting that double Y is twice as far as it was. So if you increase the water, you'll be fine, or change the plumbing, you'll be fine. Or change the toilet paper, which most people don't really want to do. But there's
Especially if you're a girl.
I found a 72-page study on toilet paper. Charmin takes,
Oh,
what
yes,
was it,
Charmin's
86
gotta be
minutes to
horrible,
dissolve. I
doesn't
gave
it?
him a copy.
How bad
And then
is
the-
He
Kirkland?
lost it.
The Scott, I'll email it to you
Yeah,
because
email
it's
it to me.
nice to have. The
How bad
Scott's
is
is like
Kirkland?
5.3. It doesn't show because since it was a worldwide study, it's done worldwide.
Oh.
So it'll have like Cora de Coeur on there, which is probably from France. Nobody's done a study on. I was surprised I found a study on toilet paper at all, but nobody's done one just in the USA. Oh, you got it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I need to email you one of those,
Yeah,
David.
yeah, mail me one.
It's nice to have.
Yeah, because you would think everyone I know uses Kirkland because they get it from Costco.
Costco, yeah, and it's
Yeah.
probably cheap. I use the Scott's at my house. It's not that bad.
Yeah, because we make sure we don't put any of that crap in there.
That's in minutes?
Yes. Can you believe that?
No shit.
Yeah. So Scott's is 5.3 and Charmin's like 86 minutes. That's just for it to
Oh,
dissolve.
that doesn't surprise me with Charmin.
Yeah, Charmin's some thick stuff.
Well, and I can't believe that they can sell all these.
All right,
lights.
so we are back
Yeah.
at the clean out now, and I'm going to conclude the video.